This is not the Mershell's cooking episode 5, but instead it's Mershell's paper machine episode 1. Hi, Shell.
Hi.
Look at the camera.
Hi.
It's the paper, dude. Yeah, it's color yellow and black because of the kinds of paper that we used. Currently, this is her vacation activities. So, Shell, what can you say? Why did you cut, mali yan, mali. Why are you doing that kind of thing?
Wish talaga.
Go.
Because sayang ang papel. Kasi sayang ang papel.
Well, actually, guys, we have a lot of scratch papers at home. Right, Shell? So these are some of the papers. Our mom is a teacher, so there's really a lot.